How to check TikTok password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Passwords application on your device. Passwords is an inbuilt application of Apple which lets you save all your important passwords. So go ahead and open the Passwords application and you will be required to unlock the app in order to access the app. Once unlocked, tap on the search bar and then search for TikTok and then go ahead and navigate to the account whose password you are trying to look forward to. Once open, you will see the password tab. So go ahead and tap on the password tab in order to unhide your password. You will then see the option for copy password, so you can tap on it and paste it elsewhere if you want. So this was about how you can check your TikTok password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.